What is up, everybody? My name is Alex, and welcome back to the second episode of the Small Account Challenge. I'm excited. You're excited. Let's get into it. Today is Friday, August the 7th, and I did make a trade both yesterday and today, so we're going to go over those a little separately. So here on screen, we have the SPY 2-minute chart for Thursday, August 6th. Here I entered a SPY put credit spread. We can see on the bottom, I have a August 7th 325 put and 322 put for $11 of credit. And so here on the chart, I entered in right around here. And I was actually pretty lucky because I was able to catch this really nice upwards channel going up. And you can see I even drew these little lines here. And it actually ended up breaking out to the upside and rallying even more. And so the options I sold actually depreciated value, which was really nice because I almost realized my entire profit just intraday. Fast forward to today, and SPY actually opened up in the negative. And if we look at the trade I had from yesterday, here is the 325 and the 322. And we can see that there's, out of the $11 of credit I received, now the spread is only $1. So I decided to close it out and open another trade. Here we see that I was able to close it out for a $1 debit. And I decided to open another put credit spread, the 331 put and the 328 put, both expiring today. Here is on the options chain. So I am just outside of 1 standard deviation, and my long leg is right outside 2 standard deviations. So I feel pretty good about it. SPY has been trading a little weird. We were trending up a little bit, and then we've been having these kind of weird swings down, up, big up, trading sideways again, and then having these weird little swings again. So I feel pretty good about it. I don't think it'll drop below 331. Also, something that gives me some confidence about this trade is that SPY seems to be trading in a range today. I drew a line at the pre-market high and the pre-market low, and here we can see that it tried to break above the pre-market high, but it was quickly rejected, and it got somewhat close here again, but it quickly dropped. This can be better seen on the 15-minute chart. Here's the pre-market high, pre-market low, and it's been trading inside of this range. SPY has not had a single red day this week, so that does kind of worry me because I'm expecting some sort of pullback. And so here's the channel here. And I could have shorted the 332, which would be fine for me. But because we haven't had a red day this week, I wanted to give myself a little bit of a buffer and go with the 331 instead. Alright guys, the market just closed, and it looks like SPY managed to keep the win streak alive. It closed green once again, just barely, but it did it. It closed up 24 cents or 0.07%. And I was actually getting kind of worried because if you see here, we started dropping pretty hard, we came back up, and then we kept getting new lows. So I was getting pretty worried. If we go to the Tastyworks here, it actually broke below the 322.8 support line. It broke below it, came back up, and then it found some support again. And then we kind of just rallied up, and we ended up consolidating right below the pre-market high, and that's where we ended. Our SPY put credit spread, the 331, 328, both expired out of the money, so we secured the bag and we locked in the full profit. Alright guys, now that the week is over, I will go over all the trades that I made as well as my weekly performance. Here on screen you can see I made 4 trades. You can see the fill price, the time, and as well as the actual contracts themselves. So it was a pretty easy week. We did have green days every day. So considering the fact that I only did put credit spreads, it was really easy because I really wasn't getting tested at all. So let's see, we got $7 plus 11, that's 18, minus 1 would be 17, plus 5 is 22. So we made $22 for the week on $300 worth of risk. And that gives us a 7.33% return on the week. Now do keep in mind that the $22 I made, or the 7.33%, is before commissions, so you must also factor that in. I was charged a total of $6 in commissions. So 22 minus 6 would be 16. So we really only made $16 for the week. So 16 over 300 would give us a return of 5.33% for the week, which is still really amazing, and I am really, really happy with that, and I can't wait to see what I can do next week. So with that being said, I'll end it off here. Thank you all so much for watching. Show me some love, like and subscribe. Hope you all have a great weekend. Peace out.